Yeah.
I'm going to take the little kids around, go trick-or-treating, and steal all of their candy when they're not looking. Or maybe not. Maybe just one piece. Hey, our friends, we want to wish you a happy Halloween. We're super excited about today because we're going to do an awesome art lesson. What are we doing?
A spooky Halloween silhouette.
Yeah, what does silhouette mean?
It's like you can only see the outline. of
Yes.
everything.
Silhouettes are really spooky just kind of by themselves because all you can see is the outline. And we're going to do a haunted house and also some trees. It's going to be really cool. For this lesson, all you need is a black colored pencil, some paper, and we're using watercolor paper because at the very end, we're going to use watercolors.
Watercolors.
Yeah, to make the sunset. It's going to be super cool. Now, we're also going to keep this really simple, so we hope you're going to follow along with us. And if we ever go too fast, you can always
Pause the video.
pause the video. You ready to start?
Yes.
Yes. Down here at the bottom, we're going to draw a jagged line for the ground. So we're going to start over here, and we're just going to draw, and I'm going to kind of go up, so our house is on a hill, and then come back down. Cool, good job. Now we're going to draw our house. We're going to draw it a little off to the right. So we're going to draw two lines that come up, and it really doesn't matter if they look perfect. All right, now let's draw the roof on our house. I'm going to draw two lines that come out, and then we're going to draw longer lines that come in, and then we can connect them at the top. All right, now let's draw another layer to our house. I'm going to draw two lines coming out to the side here, and I'm going to repeat the same step. We're going to go out, short lines, and then diagonal lines up for the roof, and then connected it at the top. Okay, we can also add, let's see, I'm going to add another one on the side over here. Now it's just the same steps, so I'm going to go a little faster on this one. There we go, we got two roofs. And I'm gonna add one more up here, but watch this. This one's gonna be different. I'm gonna draw little lines that come out, but then I'm gonna draw an A shape at the top. Perfect. Oh, it looks so cool, dude. I like it. Now let's add a door to the front of our house. And let's add some windows. I'm gonna add two windows right above the door. So I'm gonna draw an upside down U, two of them. It's gonna kind of look like a face. And then I'm gonna connect the bottom. Yeah, and then we can also add a plus in the middle to divide up the window so it looks like it has window panes. Now we can add windows up here. I'm gonna do the same steps, an upside down U, connect the bottom, and then I'm gonna add a plus and do the same thing over here on this one. And I'm gonna add a small little window up here. I'm just going to draw a square, and then we can draw another plus on that one. All right, I love your house, man. It looks like it's crickety and it's going to fall over.
Yeah.
Which is perfect. It makes it look even spookier. Okay, now let's add a little porch on the side. So we could draw a little triangle coming out. And then we can draw a line coming down. And we can also add a railing and some posts or railings, whatever that's called. Two lines coming down. That's for the railing on our porch. And we can also add a fence. Let's draw a jagged line like this coming down. And we can add little lines like this coming down also for the fence posts. Oh, our house is looking really cool. What's our drawing missing? What do you think?
Trees.
Yeah, to make them look spooky, like it's in a forest.
Yeah.
Let's do that. I'm going to draw one big tree. Watch this. I'm going to draw a line that just comes down like this. And I'm going to draw another one right next to it. Oh, it's going to make it look really spooky. So this is a tree trunk that's close to us, so it goes off the page. It's really big. Now we can draw a branch that comes off to the side. I'm going to draw two lines that come off and up to the top. Then we can also let's add branches coming over here on this side. Now we're going to repeat that same step and add a lot more branches, maybe even add a few more trees that are smaller. This part we're going to fast forward, but you guys can pause it to take time to draw your trees. All right, we did it. We finished our scary trees. They look scary because they got these long trunks and even these long branches.
Yeah.
I love your drawing, dude. It looks really cool. Now we still need to color everything in black. We're gonna use our colored pencils, but you guys at home could use a black crayon or even an oil pastel. Yeah, oil pastels would work great for this part. We are gonna fast forward this one more time, but you guys can pause it to take time to color in all of the details. We did it, we finished coloring our trees, our house, and the ground all black. It looks so cool. And that took us a little while, but we played some music and we had some fun, didn't we?
Yes.
It looks really awesome. Now we need to finish our drawings by adding some watercolor. We're gonna paint the sunset in the background. Now we're gonna make sure that we leave a big moon way back there. We're gonna use orange and yellow to make it look really cool. This part we're gonna fast forward one last time, but at the very end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. All right, Jack, we did it. We finished painting our sky, and it looks amazing, all finished, don't you think?
Yes.
Did you have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yes.
We used yellow at the bottom, and we used orange up at the top, and we also left a big circle in the middle for the moon. And I forgot to mention, we added these extra details like bats and a cat.
And something hidden.
I think it's an owl.
Owl.
A spooky owl. And I like this little guy up here.
Yeah, and like webs.
I added penguins. I think they're black.
Penguins.
They're supposed to be black crows.
Penguins.
But they look like penguins.
Yeah.
And I also added gravestones down here at the bottom.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your spooky silhouettes.
Yes, we do. And we hope you have a safe Halloween. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.